Tom, well, this much you can say about the snow. It is pretty, no matter the time of year, but it's really thrown folks for a loop, for sure.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. News Channel 5's Heather Van Arsdale live on the weather deck tonight with that story. And Heather's got that heavy coat on. Hey, Heather.
That's right, guys. Well, this weather really threw me for a loop this morning. This jacket I'm wearing, well, I had to dig through 3 boxes of clothes just to find it. I already packed away all my winter stuff, and I'm sure I'm not the only one in the region who had already transitioned over to summer.
Right about now, these spring flowers and tree buds might be regretting their early appearance, and this late in the season snowstorm might bring on another regret.
We store 1,500 tires. Right now, about 40% have changed. The other 60% are fairly lucky.
Why are they lucky?
They still have their winters on.
Warren tire workers say customers typically wait until May to switch out their tires, but not this year.
When it's 80 in April, they want to get them off.
But whether it's getting your tires off or teeing off, this snow seems to have thrown a monkey wrench into everyone's plans.
We had a group of 12 guys from Montreal that came down yesterday, and they had another tee time to come down and play today, and, well, needless to say, they weren't able to come this morning.
The owner of Plattsburgh's Bluff Point Golf Course says they opened over a month ago, the earliest ever, and being he has a full book of golfers scheduled this week, he hopes the white turns back into green soon.
If somebody did come out, well, they're welcome to hit a few balls if they'd like.
Just down the road at the Plattsburgh Boat Basin, boats are already in the water, but workers installing new docks went home for the day because conditions became too dangerous to work in. Speaking of home, that's exactly where Elaine Osher would rather be.
I had to go to the doctor's today, so I couldn't cancel it.
Making it even tougher on the 91-year-old who says she's usually in Florida this time of year.
That's right, Elaine. Well, I'm sure many people wish they were in Florida right now as well. Now, the entire Champlain Valley saw snowflakes as well, so I'm going to turn it over to my colleague, Anya Haneke, who is live in Jericho, Vermont, with the latest there. Hey there, Anya.